Welcome back, everyone. Today I got the excavator again. Hopefully the weather holds out. It's been just raining like crazy the last about week or so. It's overcast. It's not supposed to rain very much today, so fingers crossed nothing happens. No big rain. But today's object is to get all of this cleaned up, stacked up in piles. I'm gonna extend that brush pile over there and put all the logs down there. So let's go ahead, get after it. I do have one obstacle. My storage trailer is right here, so I'm gonna have to be careful working around it, so hopefully I don't hit it. Let's go ahead and get started. It is so nice that the weather changed some. It's a lot cooler today. It was, in my previous videos, it was in the upper 70s and low 80s. Now it's like low 60s. So it's actually comfortable out here. there's a frog right down there. Mr. Frog, you're in a bad spot. Shoo! Shoo! Shoot! No! Oh, I hope you're safe there. I'll try to avoid them. Still, MS-211 Mighty Chainsaw is fueled up and the chain is tight. So let's get back to work. The hydraulics for the thumb sprung a little leak right where it rubs up against the arm, so the guy from the rental company is coming here shortly to replace the hoses. So we're at a little bit of a standstill at the moment. The hydraulic hose for the thumb was rubbing up against the arm and sprung a leak, so the guy came out, he just changed it. So now I'm gonna finish building a pad site to put the trailer on. It was sinking in right behind where the tires are from me digging out a couple stumps, so I'm gonna finish doing that and get the trailer backed in there. So let's go ahead and get this done. I'm glad that's done. It's in its final spot where it's gonna stay for the next year or so. You can see we had to dig out a big area right here where there were a bunch of stumps I took out. The ground was just too soft. You can even see like right here where it was all sinking in. And it was just getting worse the farther back we went. So we dug a big hole right over there and pulled the gravel out and filled in this big area. And then I was able to back it up over everything. And now it's where it's gonna go. Not exactly level, it's a little off, but no big deal. It'll shed the water and stuff easier. It's leaning a little bit to this side, I think. Yeah, but oh well, it's good enough, I think. I'm gonna call this part of the job done, and let's get back to cleaning all that up. It's been several days since I had the excavator out here and I did the cleanup. As you can see, the build site's fairly clean. Yeah, it's not level or anything, but I still have to remove all the overburden, so I didn't worry about making it all smooth and everything. I got the trailer put back where it's gonna go. It's out of the way. It can sit there for several years and not be in the way, so I'm happy with where that's at. Just wanted to wrap up this video, show you what I got done. Everything's coming along pretty good. I got a lot of that area cleaned up also. And I got the logs stacked up here. The stack really grew. And then this pile really grew also. So I'm gonna leave it with that. And I'm glad I got this done. Everything's coming along according to plan.